Hello, and thank you for choosing Sunshine Trackers, home of HVAC Maintenance Tracker. Today we're going to talk about the profile, how you change it, and the settings and so forth. So when you log in, you're automatically going to be to this page. And if you click on My Profile, you can click on this and you can upload whatever photo you want. And then your information here, when you click on that, it'll let you choose all the information that you want for your company. So once you change all this, then click Save and it'll post up here. Your password, you click on that and you enter your old password, and then there's your new. So you can change that. Currently, we only use PayPal for the billing. It seems to be simpler, and most people have PayPal. We will probably end up adding credit card information in here later, but currently it's just PayPal. So I hope that helps. I hope you understand it and are able to get through this and use it properly for your own account. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please let us know. We're here to help you.